Antigravity just changed the game when it comes to creating websites and applications. In this video, I'm going to show step by step how to create beautiful animated websites that you can sell to local business in minutes. By the end of this video, you will see that creating a website with Antigravity is not as complicated as you might think before. But before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel and click the like button. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay guys, so first of all we need to start with image generation. I started by generating an image of a cup full of coffee in a coffee shop that looks like this. Here's the prompt that I used to generate this image, and the same prompt you'll find in a Google Doc in a description. As you can see, this is the same. Next I wanted to generate the same image, but with empty cup. So here's what I created, and I use prompt that looks like this. I basically used this image as a reference and just made it empty. Next, when I have my first frame and my second frame, I generated a video that looks basically like this. Here's the prompt. Again, you'll find this prompt in the Google Doc in the description. As you can see, I have a couple experiments here, and I just chose what I think is the best. I also used FreePic environment, but you can do the same job using Nano Banana in Google AI Studio and Whisk. I subscribe FreePic, so I used their environment to create my images and video, but maybe for you, Nano Banana Pro in Gemini Studio, in Google AI Studio, and Whisk will be a better option. It all depends. So now when we have our images and video, we need to go to this website and basically make images from our video. You need to paste an URL or select a file. Now we need to convert our video to images. Choose convert and choose to PNG. Time starts 0 and time. Make sure you have 10 right here. Size is okay. Frame, maybe I use 15. And then click convert to PNG. When we have our images ready, just download frames as a zip. Okay, so now when we have our video, our zip file, now we can go to Antigravity and start basically Vibecoding our animated website. Okay, first of all, we need to download Antigravity. You can do it on this website. Basically, just click download and log in. When you have it done, here's how Antigravity looks like. Here's the place where we can talk with LLMs. Basically, you can choose between Cloud, Gemini, and even ChatGPT. We have planning and we have fast. So those are two options. Here we can add context. Here's the place where we're going to see our files. And here's our folders. As you can see, I have a folder called public. And when I click it, here I have all my frames that we created before. And we're going to use it to create an automation on our website. And basically, I recommend you to do the same. Create a folder called public, and then basically put images here. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to create a file called instructionmd. We're going to click this button right here, and we're going to tap instructionmd. Here we're going to paste what we got right here. and paste it into Antigravity. Make sure you have autosave selected. And basically this is an instruction that we give our environment how we want it to behave. Now I'm just gonna, maybe we can use quotes on it, it's okay. I'm just gonna tap add. I'm gonna paste instruction md.md, and I'm just gonna type setup. As you can see now, Antigravity is setting up an environment for our website. Okay guys, now as you can see, our environment is ready for us to create a website. Here we have a list of files that were created. I'm just gonna accept it all. We have a new folders right here. Everything that we need to create a website. We even have .env template. I'm just gonna go to Google Docs, and basically I'm gonna paste this whole prompt from here and paste it into Antigravity. When you get something like this, make sure that you read everything and you understand everything, and then click run. Run again. Okay guys, so now as you can see, our AI agent tells us that the website is ready, and basically all we need to do is run it on localhost. But as you can see, here we have some issues. All I did, I just opened terminal and I clicked send it all to agent. And now as you can see, agent is debugging those issues. Okay guys, and here as you can see now we have no problems in our code.